Hi friends, in this video we'll talk about a merge conflicts. So let's understand what is a merge conflict. So suppose you are working on a team project and you have made a substantial progress. You go to submit your code changes only to find out someone else on your team was working on the same files and submitted their changes before you did. Now you have the problem of the conflicting code and the time required to resolve your changes against the other person changes. So this is called a merge conflict and can be source of headache for many developers. So right now here I'm in my repository and let's understand one example. So this is a master branch, right? So let's create one another branch from the master and start updating. So go to the view all branches and let's create a new branch which is development. So I'm creating a branch from the master branch. So now I have this development branch right from the master branch, and let's click on the development branch and update this file. Let's say I am adding this index.html and I'm just adding one more line here. So, so this is my fifth paragraph, right? By me, and so I have just added this new line, okay, inside index.html, and let's click on commit changes. So now changes are committed in the development branch. And suppose while doing these changes, someone from your team, right, or some other developer are already merged changes into the master branch, right? So let's update the master branch now. So I have selected the master branch and edit this index.html, which is the same file which we have updated in the development branch. So click on this and add a new line here, and let's say this is fifth paragraph by ABC developer. Okay. So actually, this is a some other changes, added by some other developer inside the master branch. So let's comment this. Now let's go to the development branch. This is actually your branch, right? You have made the changes inside the development branch. And now, if you go and create a pull request from development to master branch. So let's go to the pull request, click on the new pull request, and select the development branch, right? So now you can see your changes is showing here inside the commits, right? So I'm creating a pull request from development to master. On create pull request. So once you create a pull request, see it is showing this branch has a merge conflict, right? That must be resolved because when we create a copy of master branch, right, which is a development branch, after that some other developer has already made a changes in the master branch with the same file, right? And after that our changes are create after our changes we after that we are merging our pushing our changes inside the master branch. That is why it has a conflicts, right, with the index.html. So let's click on the resolve conflict and I will show you how to resolve these conflicts. So here you can see the option. You can directly resolve these changes in the web editor or using the command line, right? So I will show you later how to resolve this conflict using command line. For now I will show you using this UI directly. So here you can see this is index.html and this is the file, and here you can see actually the conflicts. So this conflict, right, this changes actually from the development branch, which is our changes, right? Which is basically my changes, which is push or committed inside the development branch. And here you can see this is another changes from other developer in the master branch, right? So here we need to decide which changes we need to keep, right? So either you can keep the both, right? But just remove this all, right? And you can keep these changes, or you can keep your changes by skipping the other developer. So I will just remove these changes, right? And I want to keep my changes inside the master branch. So what I will do, I will remove this, right? And this one. So now you can see our conflict are resolved, right? And this file now looks clean. And once it's done, click on mark as a result, and then click on commit merge. So now you can see your conflicts are resolved now, and you are ready to merge your pull request, and click on the commit merge. So merge has been done. Now if you go to the master branch and if you check the index.html, see your changes is there, but you have removed that other developer changes, right? So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching.